I have opened my code editor. In terminal I write nodemon index.js file. See I get this error, nodemon.ps1 cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. For solving this error, copy the path. Then, open the PC, and in search bar enter path which you copy from terminal. Remove /nodemon.ps1 part and press enter. In my search bar check the path and match with your. In this folder you can see a nodemon file at last. Select this file and delete it. Now, open your code editor. First I clear this error. Now, again I write nodemon index.js file. Here, you can see it's properly work. I open my browser and run application on it. Here, you can see it's properly working. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.